The United States has launched powerful strikes on Iranian planes and naval boats, escalating tensions across the Middle East. According to U.S. Central Command, multiple Iranian vessels and military assets were destroyed in a series of coordinated attacks aimed at weakening Iran's ability to deploy sea mines and threaten global shipping routes. The fighting comes as tensions surge around the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical energy corridors. With retaliatory attacks, drone threats, and regional instability growing, the Middle East now faces one of the most dangerous military escalations in years. One question remains: will this conflict escalate even further?